right? Now once we have summed up the total order value and the number of orders, we now need to compute the average order value, right? And this we'll do by using the mutate function, right? So mutate allows you to create new columns or variables based on your existing column, or you can also use some functions that generate data, right? Such as sample or other functions, and you can use them to create a new variable. Now for our case study, what we want to do is we want to create a new variable in the ecom4 data set. We'll call it as AOV, for average order value, and this the value in this column is generated by dividing the revenue column by the orders column, right? So in each row, the value for the AOV column is generated by dividing the corresponding value in the revenue and orders column, right? So if you see this, now you have the device type, the total revenue, the total orders, and now you also have the average order value, right? So this will store it in another data set. We'll call this as ecom5.